Hello, good morning, students. As we were reading the chapter 5 from Footprints Without Feet, and we saw how he soon found a suitable shop. That scientist found a suitable shop and he made his way invisible upstairs and came out a little later wearing bandages round his forehead, dark glasses, false nose, big bushy side whiskers. This is the उसका कहना चाहिए कि हुलिया. This is and a large hat to escape without being seen. He callously attacked the shopkeeper from behind. Then we saw how he attacked the shopkeeper, and after which he robbed him all of his money and he could find. So I am going to continue from below this paragraph on page number 28. Eager to get away from crowded London, he took a train to the village of Epping. After London, there was a big crowd. After London, he took a train. He reached a village of Epping, where he booked 2 rooms at the local inn. And at present, he has gone to Epping and he has booked 2 rooms. The arrival of a stranger at an inn in winter was in any case an unusual event. In such a bitter cold and winter, it was the subject of surprise of arriving of a stranger at an inn. It was a special incident for them. A stranger of such uncommon appearance set all tongues wagging. At the arrival of the stranger, all people were started whispering. Set all tongues wagging. It means started whispering. Whispering means कानाफूसी करना, कान में खुसफुसाहट करना. That is called. Why? Because it was an uncommon appearance for them. Uncommon appearance of whom? Uncommon appearance of a stranger, of that scientist, Mrs. Hall, the landlord's wife. Made very effort to be friendly. Mrs. Hall wanted to be friendly with him, and she made many efforts, but Griffin had no desire to talk and told her. But on this side, Griffin even did not want to talk to her, and he told her, "My reason of coming to Epping is a desire for solitude." The reason of his coming was that he wanted to be alone from the crowd. Only this was the reason. He did not want to maintain any relationship, any social relationship. I do not wish to be disturbed in my work. And he told Mrs. Hall straightforwardly that he did not want to be disturbed by anybody. Besides, an incident has affected my face. Satisfied that her guest was an eccentric scientist. What that lady, Mrs. Hall, thought? Mrs. Hall thought that he was an eccentric scientist. Eccentric means whimsical. जो सनकी हो, जिसमें सनक सवार हो, एंड जो स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड होता है हम उसको एसेंट्रिक या सनकी कहते हैं. एंड इन व्यू ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट ही हैड पेड हर in advance, and he already paid her in advance, Mrs. Hall was prepared to excuse his strange habits and irritable temper. Mrs. Hall was ready to forgive his strange habits or bad habits or irritable temper. Nature of anger, गुस्से का नेचर, उसको वो फॉरगो करना मतलब माफ करना चाहती थी, फॉरगिव करना चाहती थी. बट द स्टोलन मनी डिड नॉट लास्ट लॉन्ग. व्हाटएवर मनी ही स्टोल was not sufficient for him, and presently Griffin had to admit that he had no more ready cash. That's why he admitted that he had no more ready cash. Ready cash means cash in hand. He pretended, however, pretended means कहना चाहिए उसने एक ट्रिक, he tricked, उसने वो किया, क्या कहते हैं, बहाना बनाया. However, that he was expecting a check to arrive at any moment. And he pretended before that landlady कि उसका his check is about to arrive in some moment. Shortly afterwards, a curious episode occurred. After some time, a strange event happened. Very early in the morning, a clergyman means priest, Christian priest is called a clergyman. Very early in the morning, a clergyman and his wife were awakened by noises in the study. When they were studying, his clergyman and his wife were disturbed by his noise. Creeping downstairs. Creeping means धीरे धीरे रैंक के चलते हुए, कहाँ, नीचे सीढ़ियों की ओर, सीढ़ियों से नीचे की ओर. They heard the chink of money being taken from the clergyman's desk, and they also heard the sound of coins as he was taking from clergyman's desk without making any noise, and with a poker grasped firmly in his hand. The clergyman flung upon the door. Clergyman suddenly and at once appeared there, and he shouted, "Surrender!" उसको सरेंडर करने के लिए उसको बोला उसने. सरेंडर मीन्स सबमिट यानी कि सरेंडर कर देना. कहते हैं कि डेकॉयट्स एंड थीव्स और क्रिमिनल्स सरेंडर बिफोर द पुलिस. सो द क्लर्जीमैन ऑल्सो asked him to surrender. Then, to his amazement, to his surprise, he realized that the room appeared to be empty. It was a matter of surprise. It was a subject of surprise for him, for clergyman, that he felt that the room appeared to be empty. Room was vacant. He and his wife looked under the desk, and then they looked under the desk and behind the curtains, then behind the curtains, and even up the chimney. They searched the thief under the desk, behind the curtains, and up the chimney. There wasn't a sign of anybody, but No mark of anybody was there. No mark of anybody's appearance was there. Yet the desk had been opened and the housekeeping money was missing. In spite of the money was missing from the desk, but there was nobody. Extraordinary affair. Extraordinary affair means strange matter. The clergyman kept saying for the rest of the day, and he kept saying means he was saying over and over whole day that very strange incident, that nobody was there but money was missing. But it was not an extraordinary as the behavior of Mrs. Hall's furniture at a little later that morning. But ये कोई एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी इतना नहीं था जितना कि मिसेस हॉल का फर्नीचर एक एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी बिहेवियर कर रहा था. अब हाउ ही वाज बिहेविंग एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरीली, दिस विल कम फर्दर. The landlord and his wife were up very early. Were up means woke up. वो जाग गए बहुत जल्दी and were surprised to see that the scientist's door wide open. The scientist's door of the room was open. Usually it was shut. Normally it was often it was shut, but that day very early morning it was open, and usually it was shut and locked, and he was furious. Furious means he was angry. If anyone entered his room, he always became angry. If anyone entered his room, the opportunity seemed too good to be missed. They peeped. They, who are they here? The clergyman and his wife. They peeped round the door. Peeped means looked around the door, saw nobody, and decided to investigate. And they decided to find out. The bedclothes were cold. Bedclothes means cushion of the bed were cold. जब हम सोते हैं तो वो गर्म हो जाती है, लेकिन जब हम जाग जाते हैं उसके बाद हमारा बिस्तर ठंडा हो जाता है. It was very cold, showing that the scientist must have been up for some time before. कुछ ज़्यादा समय से वो पहले उठ गया है, क्योंकि the cushions of the bed were cold that time. And stranger still, the clothes and bandages that he always wore were lying about the room, and the bandages and clothes were spreading in the room. Those clothes and bandages he always wore. All of a sudden, Mrs. Hall heard a sniff close to her ear. Sniff means sound of breathing. All of a sudden, what happened? Mrs. Hall heard a sound of breathing very close to her ear. A moment later, that hat on the bedpost leaped up. A moment later, after some moments, what she sees that hat is jumping in the air. Hat जो है उसका जो हेड था वो हवा में उड़ रहा है. And dashed itself into her face, and it was striking to her face. वो उसके फेस से टकरा रहा था. Then the bedroom chair became alive. Then what happened? Bedroom chair became alive, and it also started jumping into the air. It also attacked. Charged means attacked. It also attacked straight at her. सीधी उसके ऊपर आकर के अटैक करने लगी वो चेयर. हेड उड़ने लगा, चेयर उड़ने लगा. लेग्स फॉरमोस्ट, उसके पैरों पर वो आके टकरा रही है वो चेयर. एज शी and her husband turned away in terror. And now it was the moment of, it was a very terrible moment before them, and they were being very afraid of this scene, of this sight, that head is jumping and the chair is jumping and they are attacking. All these were very all these were very terrifying thing, and the extraordinary chair pushed them both out of the room. Extraordinary chair means chair was extraordinary because it was flying in the air, so it was called an extraordinary chair. Pushed them both out of room. And क्या हुआ, उस चेयर ने उन दोनों को ऐसी टक्कर मारी कि वो रूम के बाहर जाके गिरे. And then appeared to slam. Slam means here slam. Note down this meaning. Slam. To slam means to shut with bang. जोर से धड़ की आवाज करके बंद होना. That is called slam. Then appeared to slam and lock the door after them. Then ऐसी धड़ाम की आवाज आई और उनके बाहर जाने के बाद the door automatically was shut and locked. Mrs. Hall almost fell down the stairs, in hysterics. Hysterics means in fear, in a great fear. What happened? Mrs. Hall almost fell down the stairs. करीब सीढ़ियों से नीचे पूरी गिर गई थी वो घबराहट और डर के मारे. She was convinced, she was sure that the room was haunted by spirits. She was sure that the room was full of evil spirits, full of ghosts. Man cannot do such things, and the chair and hats and clothes or fan, they were flying in the air. तो ये ऐसे कैसे उड़ने लग जाएगी. आज हम भी अपने घर में बैठे हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें अपने सामने रखी हैं. Many things are lying before us. TV, cooler, fridge, table, chair, lot of things are there before your eyes, but they are not flying all of a sudden. But here in this room, what is it happening? It is definitely the room is haunted. Room is full of ghosts. My poor mother used to sit in that chair. Now that lady is saying that her mother used to sit in that chair which was flying in the air. She moaned. Moan means cried with pain. दर्द की आवाज निकालना है ना, अपने दुख को, to express our grief. Moaned. To think it should rise up against me now. The feeling among the neighbors was that the trouble was caused by witchcraft. Now, those people, clergyman and his wife, they are thinking that certainly there are evil spirits, there are ghosts. But the neighbors are thinking that this is the trouble created by the witchcraft. Witchcraft means sorcery, jadoo tona. This is the result of witchcraft. जादू टोने का ही परिणाम है ये. But witchcraft or not, but they are not sure maybe witchcraft or not. When news of the burglary at the clergyman's house became known, the strange scientist was strongly suspected of having had a hand in it. Now all these things are proving that the strange scientist was strongly involved in this matter. So he is being suspected and his hand is in this task. Definitely ये स्ट्रेंज साइंटिस्ट का ही काम हो सकता है, जादू टोने करवाना या स्पिरिट्स वगैरह क्रिएट करना, ये सब they are suspecting means they have doubt on that scientist. Suspicion means doubt. Suspicion grew even stronger. Doubt became stronger and stronger gradually when he suddenly produced some ready cash, and suddenly he produced some money. All of a sudden, before sometimes he was saying he had no money, but all of a sudden now he has money. What is this? This is full of surprise. Though he had admitted not long before, before very short period, उसने admit की ये बात कि he had no money, but now he has money. The village constable was secretly sent for. The village constable was called there for this incident. This is second time the constable is coming in this story. First time लंदन में हुआ था ऐसा कि कॉप और कांस्टेबल आया था, लेकिन दिस इज सेकंड टाइम द कांस्टेबल इज बीइंग कॉल्ड. Instead of waiting for the constable, Mrs. Hall went to the scientist. Instead of waiting for the constable, Mrs. Hall went to the scientist, who had somehow mysteriously appeared from his empty bedroom. And one more surprising thing, before sometimes the room was empty, and for their support of surprise, now the scientist is present in that room. How can it happen? I want to know what you have been doing to my chair upstairs. मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि आप ये स्टेयर्स ऊपर की ओर तुम मेरी चेयर्स के साथ क्या कर रहे थे. She demanded before that scientist. And I want to know how it is you came out of an empty room, and you came out of the empty room. How it happened? She is telling that she wanted to know how you entered a locked room. Room is already locked, but you entered. What are the reasons of these things? Things totally related to their amazement. Okay, this is very interesting story. I am going to stop here and you read again to understand more conveniently, and I will continue it in the next video from page number 30. Okay, and after that I will supply you questions of this chapter. And now I am going to close here. And take care of yourself, my dear students. You are very good, lovely and beautiful students, and God bless you. Wash your hands 20 times a day. Use sanitizer, use mask, and no need to go anywhere without any purpose. Okay, once again I plead that you take care of yourself, your elders, youngers, and keep it up. Continue your studies. Okay, if any problem you can ask me. I am in your WhatsApp. Thank you and have a nice day.